Velocity vector is velocity of an object in a motion defined as the ratio to displacement and the corresponding time interval taken by the object. That is, velocity, I'm calling it as v, is equal to displacement disp is what I'm writing by time interval. So if in case at all we have to find the average velocity, then average velocity is equal to, I'm writing average velocity is av is equal to displacement by time taken, displacement by total time taken, that is time taken. So in the vector form, average velocity is written as change in vector, that is delta r by delta t. So average velocity v can be written as delta r by delta t. Now what is delta r? Delta r is nothing but r2 minus r1 by t2 minus t1 is delta t. Okay, now suppose if, for example, if in case we are going to have x component and y components, okay, and let's say these are the components of velocity, so we have, I'm writing this one as, say, this I'm calling it as delta vxi, that is change of velocity on x-axis, delta vyj on y-axis, and this is, say, delta v. So on x-axis and y-axis, delta vi, delta vyj, change in velocity in on both x-axis and y-axis, and delta v is the change in velocity. So we can write v average is equal to delta xi by delta t of I, or plus delta y by delta t into j, that is equal to delta vxi plus delta vyj. So average velocity is nothing but, if in case I'll just change the page here. Okay, so the average velocity can be written as v average can be written as under root of delta vx square plus delta vy square. Okay, so tan theta is given as delta of vy by delta of vx.